Hey everybody, this is Wes.
And I'm Georgia, and we're here at the Sandy Creek Nature Center. We got a social turtle.
Social turtle, you said?
Yeah. Look right there. He wants to be on the, see? This is that.
This is a crappie right here.
A crappie?
Uh-huh.
Hello.
That's a carp right there.
But look, it's that, what is that turtle called?
The what?
The one that has, that one that's heading towards us.
Look right there. Is that turtle?
Yeah. What is it called?
I'll have to look it up and see. I think it's a soft shell, but let's see.
Soft shell?
Mm-hmm.
Look at you, your shell. Turtle.
It's a big turtle, isn't it?
Look at this big turtle. It's a big boy. Oh, look, a catfish.
Mhm.
Catfish. Fishy catfish. Baby urchins. Some baby urchins. Hello. This is a view. Look at that fat guy. Chuck, look. Stop and turtle.
Like I said, if you ever see one of these, Georgia, in the yard or anything,
Yeah, just slowly back away.
yeah, back away
And
from
never,
it and come get your
never
dad.
turn your back.
And come
Never
get
turn
your
your
dad.
back.
Well, you can turn your back; they're not going to come after you. But the problem that you get into with some of these
Guys.
is because you see how you almost don't notice them because they match the colors. They're camouflaged.
Rattle. And
Tell me what that is, Georgia.
a rattlesnake.
Do we play with those?
Nope.
How do you know it's a rattlesnake?
Because I literally see it rattling things.
Cool. Right. So we're at the We are on the Box Loop Trail and Boardwalk at Sandy Creek Nature Center. Great place to bring your kids. Located just outside of
Got that right.
Athens, Georgia. I'm here with my granddaughter, Georgia, and we're just enjoying the day.
But I thought I saw a deer or heard a deer.
I think it's gone, so let's move on.
Look at that bird. Oh, right there. That's a big step. And be real quiet. Try not to make as much noise.
This particular trail is just a little under a half a mile.
And this is perfect for beginners. Oh wow, look at this pretty flower. Way up here. It's a pretty ocean. Keep your eyes peeled for any animals at possible times. Especially with the snakes. I have a feeling this will be fun. We're gonna have real fun.
You enjoying this?
I really am. Alright, fork in the road. This way. Alright, let's do it. Are you in the mood for snacking right now?
Not yet. We'll get a snack in a minute. Maybe after we finish this trail.
Maybe. Keep your eyes peeled for any unexpected guests. There we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see me. Pretty. Oh, look at a little swampy area. I bet there's lots of turtles over there.
Very possibly.
And possibly snakes.
Yeah, it's about time for them to start coming out of their.
Hibernate.
Yep.
This is actually fun. Oh, look, a little bench in the parking lot.
Go to the right and it goes down to the creek. Go check out the creek.
Just check that out.
It's just right there. Looks more like a river. Look to the left.
Wow.
That Sandy Creek over there. Let's see if I can get a little better.
Look, that moon. Smooth sailing. Dragonfly. There's tons of dragonflies over here. Just so you know. So this is the Sandy Creek.
Yep.
And
So anytime you get out on the trail, it's always good to stop every now and check things out and have a good snack.
right. Especially these. They're sort of my favorite.
Georgia's chewing on a Almond Joy candy bar. Smells good.
And tastes delicious.
You having fun, Georgia?
Yeah. Right here for snakes. A squirrel. You guys see that? The first cool animal we saw. Oh, I got a squirrel on a tree. Oh my goodness. They should rename the snake. I mean, not the snake, but the squirrel 101. No dogs up. Oh. Bye. I'm gonna take the camera with me.
Ooh.
Can you hold this for me? Alrighty. Let's go. Ready? Let's go.
Whenever you're ready.
Hi, I'm about to slide down a slide. Woo! That was fun.
Okay, so we just finished walking the trail here at Sandy Creek Nature Center. Georgia, tell me a little bit about what you like about this center.
I like seeing the animals and all the different flowers and like there's lizards too. It was so fun.
Yeah.
And also inside the building, if you, at the very beginning of the building, turn left into this little thing and you will see tons of animals. And it'll teach you some stuff that you probably know and stuff you probably don't know yet. So you should check it out.
What about that an owl that we saw coming out that was actually outside?
Oh yeah, that was so pretty. Also, there was a playground too. Well, not very much stuff. There was like a wooden slide and I got to slide down it 2 times. Then I ran up. Then there was this little tunnel thing that was actually bigger than it looks on the outside.
What about out on the trail itself? What did you see? Anything?
I saw squirrels. 3. That was fun.